Tired of clients accidentally messing with your project's settings in Basecamp? This video will show you how to add clients to your Basecamp project, granting them the access they need without full team member privileges in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the specific project you want to add your client to. It's usually located on your Basecamp dashboard. Next, find the People and Teams section. This is usually located in the sidebar or at the top of your project page, depending on your Basecamp version. Once you're in the People and Teams area, look for a button or link labeled Invite Client or something similar, not the Invite Team Member option. Click this button. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter your client's email address and first and last name. Double-check that you've entered the correct email to avoid any confusion later. Ensure that the box next to give access to this project is checked. This will allow your clients to see the project you are working on. Click on the Send Invitation button. Your client will receive an email invitation to join the project. As a client, they'll be able to view relevant updates, participate in discussions, and stay informed without the ability to edit project settings or invite other users. And that's it. By adding your client in this way, you keep everyone in the loop and prevent any unwanted accidental changes.